Welcome, students. Today we are going to talk about addressing and handling cyberbullying here at USD 491. So what exactly is cyberbullying? According to Shaolin, cyberbullying is bullying taking place using electronic technology such as phones, emails, or social media. This can include any type of harassing, threatening, or disrespectful language. Some of the top 10 forms of cyberbullying include exclusion, harassment, outing, which is posting private information, cyberstalking, fraping, which is impersonation, fake profiles, dissing, trickery, which is befriending and then sharing secrets, trolling, provoking, which is provoking for a response, and catfishing. So what are some of the facts? Principal reported cyberbullying has continued to increase. Cyberbullying is usually connected to appearance, intelligence, race, or sexuality. The people most often targeted are people with disabilities, mental illnesses, or individuals who identify with the LGBTQ community. The most common platforms where cyberbullying occurs include Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat, which I am sure most of you are familiar with. 1/3 to 1/2 of youths have been targeted by cyberbullies, and cyberbullying can lead to suicide. So knowing those statistics and those facts, there are things that we as staff and you guys as students should do to help prevent and stop bullying. So what can we do to do that? So district and building staff can look at our policies. So according to Hinduja and Patchen, 49 states have bullying prevention laws, all requiring a school policy on how to address bullying, including Kansas. Some states have even criminalized bullying. At USD 491, we have a district-wide bullying plan, which includes cyberbullying. The detailed plan includes what is considered bullying and what actions will be taken when bullying occurs. Students, so some things that you can do to help prevent and stop bullying. It is important to note that individuals who are cyberbullying may not always be aware that this is what they are doing. Therefore, it is important to follow the following tips to help stop bullying. So reporting it to the school or a staff member, collecting evidence of the cyberbullying, reporting to the platform in which the cyberbullying is occurring on, talking to a trusted adult, whether that be a parent, a staff member, or any other adult that can help. Show compassion, work as a team, so work together to stop bullying. Can't be a one-man deal, you guys have to work together. Stand up against it, so stop it when you see it, don't engage in it. And that kind of goes into the next one, don't encourage it. So do not engage in it, do not encourage it. That can help stop it. Think through actions before taking them, and then keep working on it. Just keep going. Work together. Here are the references for this. Again, just keep working together to stop bullying and making sure that you're doing the right thing at all times. Thanks, kids.